Yeah, now going further, you can see on the board that there is one equation 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4. Now this seems to be a little more complicated, but again the method is same. What we will do, this 1 upon x plus y will be substituted as a. So you will write down let 1 upon x plus y be equal to a, and we will write let 1 upon x minus y be equal to b. Now you will get the simpler equations like this. Now 1 upon x plus y is a. Now 10 upon x plus y can be written as 10 multiplied by 1 upon x plus y. So this becomes very simple. Your first equation becomes 10a plus 2b. Excuse me, let me just rub it. Actually I don't have a pen. I'm writing with my finger. Very difficult to make it very small. 2-3 days I should be able to get the pen too. So 2a plus, not 2a, sorry, 10a. 10a 10a plus 2b. It's very difficult, very difficult. We will do one thing. Okay, so 10a plus 2b is equal to 4. Okay, and your second equation given is in the textbook. This is the second sum of practice set 1.4. It will become 15a minus 5b. 15a minus 5b. 15a minus 5b equal to minus 2. Equal to minus 2. Now solve these two equations. Get the value of a and b. Now after getting the value of a and b, now what will happen when you resubstitute over here? Look at this. Suppose you get the value of a as 2. So क्या हो जाएगा now? You will get 1 upon x plus y is equal to 2. So 1 is equal to 2 into bracket x plus y. So here you will be getting a linear equation in x plus y. This will give you another linear equation. When you get the value of b, then this will give you another linear equation. Now you will solve these two linear equations and get the value of x and y. So the sum becomes lengthy. Earlier, since there was only x, don't cross multiplied and you got the value. But now you will get again two equations in the form of x and y. Now you will solve these two linear equations by any of the methods taught to you and get the value of x and y. The PDF will be provided in the WhatsApp group so that you can solve the sums. So this is what you will do in these kind of sums in the entire exercise. If you see, whatever is there in the denominator, what you have to do? Whatever is there in the denominator part, it is x plus 2y, x minus 2y, anything can be here. I'll just delete this board. Now for example, you are having given to you is say 3 upon 2x plus 3y, okay, plus 4 upon 5x minus 2y is equal to 7, nothing. Now you will substitute this 1 upon 2x plus 3y as a. You will substitute 1 upon 5x minus 2y as b, so that your equation becomes 3a plus 4b is equal to 7. Again solve that, get the value of a and b, resubstitute writing 1 upon 2x plus 3y is equal to a, put the value of a, cross multiply, and again you will get two equations in x and y. Now solve those two equations and get it. Now this will give you one equation, you will get another equation by the other one. You have to solve them and resubstitute. Okay. So this is how these sums are done.